everyone, welcome to our programming course with Henry Harvin. Before starting the course, let's go through all the modules we will be covering in this course. So, starting with the first module, it is our introduction. Initially, first we will be starting with our installation, our studio installation, taking its overview and understanding the features of our studio and R. Then we will understand the operators in R. What are the different operators, how to use those operators, we will understand that. Then there will be data types and data structures. So we will be covering different types of data structures such as vectors, matrices, data frames, and lists. There will be data import and export. So we will be covering importing data through CSV files, through Excel, through CSV URLs, text file, Google Sheets, and we will also learn how to write or export the data from R. The second module, it covers handling data in R. So we'll be learning how to install packages, how to handle them, how to update or load the packages. Then we will learn how to subset the data using different types of notations and functions. Then we'll cover data management in R, where we will understand how to. Then we will be covering data management in R, wherein we will understand how to rename the variables, how to add or remove rows and columns, how to reshape the data, how to sort the data, and merge and split the data. Then we will learn loops and if statements. And the last topic that we will cover in this module is missing values in R. So we'll learn how to manage and replace missing values that are present in our data sets. The third module covers the descriptive statistics, wherein we will be understanding different statistic functions in R. The fourth module, it covers data manipulation, wherein we will be understanding apply family. So apply family consists of lapply function, sapply function, mapply, tapply, and repeat function. Then the second topic we will be covering in this module is aggregate and table command. Then there will be data manipulation, that is dplyr package, which is very important to understand for data manipulation using R language. In the last module, that is graphical representation of data, we will understand how to summarize data graphically. We will understand scatter plots, box plot, histogram, bar graphs, and pie chart. So let's begin with the R programming.